Hey everybody, June is Perennial Gardening Month. Why is it Perennial Gardening Month? That's because June is when most perennials really start to pop. And here at the ranch, that means we have the biggest selection of perennials all year. Perennials are plants that come back year after year and can create really amazing spaces. But one thing we know from years of working with folks is it can be hard to figure out what to plant. And come into a garden center, there's thousands of plants. How do you pick them out? And how do you achieve that vision that you have in your mind? How do you get that in your garden? That's why we set up the perennial planning tool through our website, where you can actually schedule time with one of our amazing ranch hands to plan out your own perennial gardens. And it has been so well received. We've put a lot of amazing gardens together over the past couple of years. And I just wanted to take some time to tell you about it, how easy it is. Basically, go to the Experience the Ranch part of our website, and then you'll click through to Planning and Consultation, hit the Perennial Planning tool, and it's for 15 bucks. You fill out the tool, but you get that $15 back in plants when you come for your visit. So this is scheduled one-on-one time with our amazing team to really help demystify, take a lot of the guesswork out of putting together those perennial gardens and really create that dream space, the home oasis that you want. And you'll have pollinators and bees and butterflies galore before you know it. So check out the perennial planning tool. It's super easy to do, and there's really no reason not to do it. If you want to expand perennial gardens, or you've been wanting to do this for a long time, now's your chance. We have the most perennials here at the ranch in June, so you're going to get to see the plants blooming. You're going to have a really good idea of what your gardens are going to look like in a couple of years, because you can actually see the plants, and you're going to have the best selection of getting the plants you really want for your gardens right now in June. So join us for Perennial Gardening Month, fill out your perennial planning consultation, and come meet with one of our amazing team members and begin building the gardens of your dreams.